Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your Roblox account to your Guilded account so that you can create an icon on your profile, your Roblox profile, which links towards your Guilded account. And your friends can see it and click it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and head down to roblox.com. Now as you can see right here, I have my profile open, and when I press this Guilded icon, it takes me to my Guilded account, as you can see right here. Now how to do this? It's very easy. Go to the top right corner where the cogwheel appears. Open up the settings, and inside the settings you are on the account information. Now we scroll all the way down. Let's refresh it real quick. We scroll all the way down till we find these social networks right here. Inside the social networks we choose the last option, which is the Guilded option, and here we put in the link, and after the backslash you simply add your own profile. Now from there, here we have the visible to. Make sure that this is set to everyone or friends and users I follow and your followers. Now from there simply save this option, and once this has been saved you can hop onto your profile and you can check out your Guilded icon, which links to your own account or the one that you've just created. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.